Before we dive into what makes Grok 3 a game changer, let's talk access. XAI is rolling it out in phases, starting with Premium Plus subscribers on X. To unlock everything Grok 3 has to offer, make sure your app is up to date. But if you want first dibs on the most advanced features, there's a $30 Super Grok subscription, giving you early access to the cutting-edge upgrades. You can chat with Grok through the X app, but for the best experience, check out grok.com, where the most powerful version lives. And if you're waiting for a free option, keep an eye out. Grok Free is rolling out soon. Okay, so Elon Musk and XAI just released Grok 3, and it represents a major leap forward from its predecessors and Grok 2. Here are the main differences. First up is the performance improvements of Grok 3. Let's talk about speed. Grok 3 is reported to be 3 times faster than its predecessor, Grok 2. Next, ultra accuracy. The new model was thoroughly tested, demonstrating increased accuracy marks across various tasks, making it more reliable. Now, let's discuss computational power. Grok 3 benefited from 200 million GPU hours for training, which is 10 times more than Grok 2. This was made possible by the Colossus supercomputer. Moving on to enhanced capabilities, Grok 3 offers improved support for multiple languages, making it even more versatile. When it comes to following instructions, the model demonstrates superior capabilities in executing complex instructions accurately. Finally, reasoning. Grok 3 slightly edges out ChatGPT 1.0 in training, but here we see both Grok 3 and its little brother, Grok Mini, outpacing competitors in reasoning abilities, in math, science and coding, but also its time to compute is outperforming many established models in standardized tests. Advanced training methods. Synthetic datasets. Grok 3 utilizes artificially generated datasets to create diverse, controlled training environments. Self-correction mechanisms. The model can identify and fix its own mistakes, leading to more precise outputs. Reinforcement learning. Grok 3 employs a system of rewards and penalties to optimize its performance. Real-time information processing. Integration with X platform. Like its predecessor, Grok 3 can access and process real-time information from platforms like X, formerly Twitter. Reduced errors. By operating from first principles, fewer hallucinations, Grok 3 implements multiple validation steps to reduce incorrect responses. Improved logical accuracy. The model checks information against reliable sources to ensure accuracy of output. Adaptability. Continuous learning. Grok 3 adapts more effectively through ongoing self-evaluation and learning by processing up-to-the-minute information. Grok 3's development was accelerated by the Colossus supercomputer, featuring 100,000 Nvidia H100 GPUs. Let's get into it. Imagine an AI so advanced it can reason like a human, correct and learn from every mistake, refining its logic in real time. Welcome to Grok 3, touted as the smartest AI on Earth, brought to you by Elon Musk's XAI. In today's video, we'll explore how Grok 3 transcends conventional chatbots by harnessing synthetic data, self-correction, and groundbreaking reinforcement learning. This isn't just another upgrade, it's an evolution in understanding, blending human-like reasoning with unparalleled computational might. Stay tuned as we dive into Grok 3's journey from raw data to cutting-edge performance. A revolution that promises to reshape digital interactions and redefine what artificial intelligence can achieve. In an era where AI tools are rapidly becoming integral to our daily lives, Grok 3 emerges as a beacon of innovation. Developed by XAI, a company founded by Elon Musk on a truth-seeking mission to understand the universe, Grok AI represents a suite of state-of-the-art artificial intelligence tools designed for seamless integration into social platforms like X. With competitors such as OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's DeepMind Gemini pushing the boundaries, Grok 3 sets itself apart by using synthetic data for training and introducing a self-correction system that minimizes hallucinations and logical errors. Like by inputting this simple prompt, for example, it flawlessly created an animated tesseract. This new generation AI isn't just about churning out text, it's engineered to reason deeply, generating everything from physics simulations to creative game code. As global attention shifts toward the next wave of AI breakthroughs, Grok 3's launch promises to ignite discussions around accuracy, adaptability, and the future of human-AI collaboration. At the heart of Grok 3 lies an engineering marvel, a leap from its predecessor, Grok 2, achieved in record time thanks to an unprecedented GPU cluster, powered by cutting-edge hardware and innovative cooling and power solutions. Trained on synthetic data, Grok 3 is designed to scrutinize and correct its own responses. This self-correction mechanism ensures logical consistency and dramatically reduces the chances of generating inaccurate or nonsensical outputs. Early benchmarks reveal that Grok 3 outperforms competitors in complex reasoning tasks, particularly in STEM subjects, coding challenges, and especially math. Grok 3 outscored all models on the American Invitational Mathematics examination. The technical foundation of Grok 3 is built on a rigorous training regimen that consumed 1 lakh Nvidia GPU hours. This intensive process, executed on one of the world's largest H100 clusters, has enabled Grok 3 to achieve an order of magnitude improvement over previous iterations. Its architecture incorporates human feedback loops and contextual training, a dual strategy that not only fine-tunes its responses based on real-world interactions, but also allows it to adapt dynamically to user inputs. This means that as you converse with Grok 3, it's continuously learning and evolving. Real-world applications of this technology are as diverse as they are impressive. During live demonstrations, Grok 3 solved complex physics problems like plotting viable trajectories for interplanetary travel with dynamic visualizations. Basically, they asked it to create code that would show a 3D animation of a spacecraft going from Earth to Mars and back home. The whole prompt was super simple, just 1 sentence asking for that animation. And Grok 3 took that tiny prompt and ran with it by writing a Python script using matplotlib to animate the trajectory of the whole journey, taking into account how planets move and when the best times would be to launch. You know, those specific windows when Earth and Mars line up just right. The animation showed the spacecraft leaving Earth, hitting Mars, and then coming back when the planets were in the right spots again. This required Grok to understand and apply knowledge of orbital mechanics, possibly involving solving Kepler's laws of planetary motion numerically, and knowledge of real-time launch schedules, to determine optimal launch windows dictated by the planet's relative positions. It's impressive this was achieved with only a simple prompt and no additional instructions. Despite training mainly on math and coding, Grok's reasoning generalizes to many other domains like game creation. It generated code for a hybrid game, a creative blend of Tetris and Bejeweled, showcasing its ability to innovate on the fly without copying existing implementations. These examples underscore Grok 3's utility not only in academic and technical fields, but also in creative and practical applications. Its ability to solve complex physics problems, generate code, and design innovative game mechanics showcases its versatility and potential to revolutionize various sectors. Grok 3 boasts several standout features that make it a true game changer. First, its self-correction system enables the model to learn from its mistakes, ensuring more accurate and logically consistent outputs. Coupled with synthetic data training, this leads to enhanced performance in areas where traditional models struggle, such as complex mathematics and scientific reasoning. Consider the following real-world use cases. Academic research and education. Grok 3 can solve advanced physics problems and generate detailed visualizations, making it an invaluable tool for students and researchers. Software development. Developers benefit from its code generation and debugging capabilities, dramatically reducing the time spent on troubleshooting. Creative industries. Its ability to invent new game mechanics, as seen with the Tetris Bejeweled hybrid, opens up exciting possibilities for game designers. Customer service and virtual assistants. With integrated deep search and contextual understanding, Grok 3 streamlines workflows by delivering precise, context-aware responses across various platforms. These features empower users to tackle challenging tasks with efficiency and creativity, making Grok 3 a versatile asset across multiple domains. When compared to other leading AI models like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's DeepMind Gemini, Grok 3 stands out for several reasons. While ChatGPT and Gemini have made impressive strides in natural language processing, Grok 3 leverages a unique combination of synthetic data training and an advanced self-correction mechanism. This allows it to address common pitfalls, such as logical inconsistencies and hallucinations, more effectively than its rivals. Grok 3's training on a massive H100 GPU cluster, built in record time, provides it with an unparalleled computational edge. Its human feedback loops and contextual training enable real-time adaptation, setting a new standard for interactive AI. Early blind tests and benchmark evaluations reveal that Grok 3 excels in complex reasoning, STEM problem-solving, and creative tasks. xAI conducted a sneaky blind evaluation of Grok 3, codenamed Chocolate, on the Chatbot Arena platform. They stripped away all interfaces, branding, and other potential sources of bias from the language bots to create a pure performance-based evaluation. So users submitted queries and received 2 anonymous responses, voting for their preferred answer without knowing which AI model generated it. Remarkably, Grok achieved an unprecedented ELO score of 1400, outperforming all competitors across conversation, instruction following, and coding tasks. This is particularly significant as the test used an early version of Grok 3, with improved iterations still in development. During the 2-week testing period, X users speculated about the identity of this high-performing model. By eliminating interface and branding elements, the evaluation provided an objective demonstration of Grok 3's capabilities, based purely on performance quality. Grok 3's integration with platforms like X offers deep search capabilities and advanced voice interaction, features that remain less developed in competing models. In essence, while other AIs deliver solid performance, Grok 3's innovative approach and continuous improvement cycle positions it as the frontrunner in the next generation of intelligent systems. Grok 3's emergence marks a significant milestone in the AI revolution, promising to change how we interact with digital systems. Its advanced reasoning and self-correction mechanisms could lead to more reliable and nuanced AI interactions, reducing errors that plague earlier models. This not only benefits individual users by providing more accurate and contextually aware responses, but also has broad implications for industries such as education, software development, and creative arts. However, these advancements come with challenges and controversies. The intensive computational resources required, illustrated by the massive GPU clusters, and the intricate engineering behind liquid-cooled data centers, raise concerns about energy consumption and environmental impact. Moreover, while Grok 3's ability to self-correct is a leap forward, it is not immune to errors, and the real-world consequences of missteps in high-stakes environments, like coding or scientific computations, are significant. Critics also point out that reliance on synthetic data may introduce biases not present in real-world datasets, potentially affecting the model's generalization. Nonetheless, the industry is watching closely as early blind tests indicate that Grok 3 outperforms competitors, setting a new benchmark for accuracy and speed. This progress reinforces the idea that while the journey is fraught with technical hurdles and ethical considerations, the potential benefits, greater efficiency, enhanced problem-solving capabilities, and a transformative impact on daily digital interactions are too significant to ignore. Grok 3's versatile capabilities open up a wide array of practical applications that span multiple domains. In the realm of education, its advanced reasoning can assist students and researchers in solving complex physics problems or in understanding intricate mathematical theories, making high-level academic content more accessible. Software developers stand to benefit immensely as Grok 3 can generate and debug code in real time, effectively acting as a virtual programming assistant that saves hours of manual troubleshooting. In the gaming industry, Grok 3 has already demonstrated its creative prowess by designing a hybrid game that marries elements of Tetris and Bejeweled. This shows how AI can not only enhance existing games, but also drive the creation of entirely new gaming experiences. Beyond these, Grok 3 is poised to revolutionize customer service, content creation, and data analysis by providing context-aware, highly accurate outputs that can be tailored to individual needs. Imagine an AI that can instantly plan an interplanetary mission trajectory or even generate comprehensive research summaries based on your queries. These are no longer the dreams of science fiction, but tangible possibilities with Grok 3. By seamlessly integrating into platforms like X, Grok AI aims to become a ubiquitous tool for productivity and innovation, promising to streamline workflows, reduce research time, and empower users across various sectors with state-of-the-art AI capabilities. Developing Grok 3 came with its fair share of challenges. One of the most significant hurdles was building and managing the enormous GPU clusters necessary for training the model. xAI's engineering team faced numerous technical obstacles, from synchronizing thousands of GPUs and managing liquid cooling systems, to stabilizing power fluctuations with reprogrammed Tesla megapacks. Each step of the process required precise coordination, innovative problem-solving, and the ability to overcome unforeseen issues like BIOS mismatches and network cable debugging sessions at ungodly hours. The timeline was aggressive. xAI managed to deploy a fully functional data center with over 100,000 GPUs in just 122 days, later doubling the capacity in under 100 days. This rapid scaling was crucial to keep up with the fast-paced advancements in AI, but also introduced risks such as overheating, system downtime, and potential inconsistencies in model training. Despite these technical feats, Grok 3's reliance on synthetic data has raised questions about potential biases and the model's ability to generalize in real-world scenarios. Yet, these challenges have been navigated through continuous improvements and real-time feedback loops. Early internal tests, including blind evaluations on competitive benchmarks, have shown that even with these hurdles, Grok 3's performance is exceptional. The team's dedication to refining its reasoning processes, allowing the model to think longer and evaluate multiple solution paths, has paid off, making Grok 3 not only more robust, but also adaptable. This honest assessment of both the struggles and breakthroughs highlights the arduous journey of creating an AI that truly understands and refines human-like reasoning, setting the stage for even more ambitious projects in the future. Grok 3 is not just a product, it's a harbinger of the next evolution in artificial intelligence. With its advanced reasoning, self-correction, and deep integration of human feedback, Grok 3 is poised to influence a wide spectrum of industries. In the near future, we can expect this technology to power more intuitive virtual assistants, enable smarter automation in coding and research, and even support critical decision-making in fields like healthcare and aerospace. The progress seen with Grok 3 also raises the possibility of AI systems that can tackle some of humanity's most complex challenges, from solving fundamental scientific problems to orchestrating multi-billion-dollar infrastructure projects. Yet, as the industry evolves, so too will the debates surrounding AI ethics, data bias, and environmental impact. Grok 3's success could spur further investment in sustainable AI practices and more rigorous testing protocols. Its continued improvement will likely set new industry standards, forcing competitors to innovate or risk obsolescence. The evolution of Grok 3 is a clear signal that the future of AI is intertwined with both boundless opportunity and critical responsibility, a balance that will shape the technology landscape for years to come. In closing, Grok 3 isn't just an incremental upgrade. It represents a paradigm shift in artificial intelligence. By combining state-of-the-art synthetic training, self-correction, and advanced reasoning, Grok 3 is redefining what it means for an AI to truly grok human thought. As we stand on the brink of this transformative era, we invite you to join the conversation. Explore, question, and engage with this groundbreaking technology as it reshapes industries and influences our daily lives. Subscribe, share your thoughts, and be part of the journey to understand and ultimately harness the incredible potential of Grok 3. The future of AI is here, and it's time to dive in. Are you ready to be part of this exciting journey?